She's sleeping. Now I'm gonna have some fruits if you guys don't mind. My mom says hi. Oh. Oh God. Hello Anu. Hi. Anushka, if you ever come to Dubai, I'm still holding on to meeting you. Definitely. Oh yeah, I can see your comments, seeing the edits. How's uncle auntie? They're good. They're doing great. They're happy. Okay, I'll convey everybody's regards to my mom and dad. For sure. My hair ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है सोफा में? Okay. Anusha, can you say hi to Busangana? Hi Busangana, what's up? I love how people are giving me location requests. Thank you guys. Yeah, Yusha, remember Purvi. Can you show your whole outfit? How will I show? I'm just figuring that out. Wait. I'm actually wearing like basic, but I'll still show you. Let me stand up. Ow. Okay. Wait. I think if I keep it here, you can see. Just don't fall. If my phone falls, I'm gonna feel very bad. पूरा नहीं आ रहा है. I think from here. How am I supposed to? Where am I supposed? Can you hold this, Mama? They want to see the whole outfit. Can you just hold it like this? Thanks. That's all. Light नहीं आ रहा है चेहरे में. So this is my whole outfit, guys. Sick. Thanks, Mom, for the contribution in my life. Did you guys see the whole outfit? Yeah, I got to know. अभी मेरे को मालूम है. Now you're saying कि now अभी बोलो आंटी को पकड़ने के लिए. See now everybody has seen the entire outfit. You guys happy? This is my favorite type of outfit. Honestly. Oh my God. I made same outfit thumbnail for my edit. Is it? Oh wow, that's cool. Anushka Sen is a mood. Always. 100%. 100%. Thanks for fulfilling my wish. You're welcome. Well, it's so comfy. Of course, comfy first. And comfy plus style is the perfect outfit. है ना? हमेशा. Why am I saying इतना मतलब I don't know what. See, and all the people, if you're thinking that I was wearing shoes or chappal, I was wearing nothing. I was barefoot. That's why I climbed the sofa. And also Goa pics. ये नहीं हो रहा है. 1 second. हाँ. Also Goa pics. There are so many. All the like responses that I got. You guys liked those pictures so much. I was so happy. I was sharing posts because I was enjoying so much in Goa, and all the pictures I was liking, and I was enjoying to click pictures there. It was so clear, the sky, the weather was so clear. तो इतना मजा आ रहा था फोटो खींच के. I really wanted you guys to see, like guys देखो, and you guys also really liked it. So yeah. Yeah, we miss Goa. Me too. Ma'am, come on, acho. I'm bhalo achi. Your photography. Why did I say it so angrily? I'm bhalo achi. Your photography in Goa. Thank you so much. It was so pretty Goa. मन कर रहा था कि just click pictures of the sky. It's so pretty. By God, guys, if you're going somewhere, just please go to Goa. अनुष्का मेरे comments दिख रहे हैं. हाँ, I can see your comments. Your current favorite color? Ooh, lavender. I recently discovered that it's one of my favorite colors. See, my favorite color is grey. But one of my favorite colors would be lavender because I really like the way that outfit turned out. So yeah, I'm just gonna say lavender right now. When is your Goa vlog coming? Pretty soon. I'm editing it, so we're gonna see it very soon. You're gonna see the Goa vlog soon. So guys, if you don't know, I have a YouTube channel. You can go subscribe to it. It's called Anushka Singh Official, and do subscribe because I'm gonna put my Goa vlog and something more interesting. So stay tuned. Can't wait. Yeah, just I think this week or next week mostly. I'll let you know, but it's like on the way. Yeah, I can see your comment, Sharanya. What's your favorite Bollywood movie? See, I don't know. Ooh, I was watching Devdas. I'm not saying it's my favorite Bollywood movie, so, but I'm just saying. Okay, I was watching Devdas and I really had fun because somebody suggested me. I don't remember who, but somebody suggested, and also a lot of people like told me कि अरे देवदास कैसे नहीं देखा? It's one of the most iconic films, I think. So that's why I was watching and I had fun. It was good, I mean. But my favorite Bollywood movie is, I don't know, there's so many of them. There's Om Shanti Om, there's Queen, there's Tanu As Manu Returns. There's so many movies that I really like. I mean, so Chennai Express and so many movies. I mean, all the movies. All Bollywood movies are something where you just sit and enjoy. So what are you watching right now on Netflix? I was watching Mismatched, which I really enjoyed. Then what did I watch? I watched Christmas, Princess Switch again, which was interesting again. And I also watched Christmas Chronicles. So I've been watching Christmas movies, so don't come at me. I mean, Christmas is near, so. Christmas Chronicles was so cute. मेरे को मजा आया, बहुत मजा आया मुझे देख के. And I was watching it with mom also, so it was fun. My mom is laughing. Did you hear that? I made her watch Zabardasti. I was like, come watch. I'm watching alone. So she's like, chalo, theek hai. Do watch Prison Break. Oh, suggest me some new songs, no? I've been listening to a few songs, but I think I really need some new songs. Hi Ekta. I told you, some comments are ऐसे गायब हो रहा है. Hi Ayan, what's up? कैसे हो? आप कैसा मजा आ रहा है दुबई में? I've been seeing your pictures and Jannat's pictures. I'm really enjoying it. I hope you guys are safe and having fun. Myself Prabhi. Hi Prabhi. Palak. Also guys, I'm on Gaana, so if y'all don't know, you can follow me on Gaana as well. I can share sometime. I can share the swipe up also. I forgot, but I'll share the swipe up and you can follow me on Gaana as well. Hi Bablu. That Christmas Chronicles was काफी ज़्यादा प्यारा movie. I know, right? It was so cute, that movie. I had so much fun watching it, even the part 2. So I didn't watch part 1. तो मैंने दोनों देखा एक साथ. मेरे को बड़ा मजा आया. Honestly. By the way, what are you eating? I'm eating fruits. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Papaya. And this is प्यारा. प्यारा नहीं बोलते ना, कुछ और बोलते हैं हिंदी में. हाँ? अमरूद. अमरूद and papaya. आई कॉल इट प्यारा. हम लोग घर पे प्यारा बोलते हैं. प्यारा ज़्यादा अच्छा भी साउंड करता है ना. मतलब अमरूद इज वॉट, इट्स लाइक